If you run subscription products and you're not using them in post-purchase upsells, you're leaving a recurring revenue opportunity on the table with every single customer. This is one of the easiest ways to increase customer lifetime value, and it takes less than 2 minutes to set up. First, open the Kaching post-purchase app and click Create New Upsell Offer. Choose your setup type. I'll go with manual setup. Then, select your upsell type. Next, choose when the offer should be shown. In this case, we'll show it when a customer orders any product. If you want a deeper breakdown of post-purchase upsells, check the full guide. Here, we'll focus only on subscriptions. Click Next. Now, select your product. Make sure your product already has a subscription set up, otherwise, subscription options won't appear. Now you'll see a few key options: discount, shipping, and how you want to sell it. For selling type, you have 3 choices: one-time only, one-time plus subscription, and subscription only. If you're just starting, go with both. It reduces friction but still introduces the subscription. You can also choose which option is selected by default for the customer. It uses the same discounts from your subscription app, but you can stack an extra discount on top. Make sure to enable Apply Discount to Subscription. Important: this extra discount only applies to the first billing cycle, which is perfect. You're basically saying, try it cheaper once and continue if you like it. This also works with compare at prices, so your offer looks even stronger. Worth mentioning shipping. You can set a recurring shipping price that applies to every subscription delivery. If you want to use a custom shipping title, just disable this option. Now everything stays clear and predictable for the customer. Once that's done, you can adjust your upsell or downsell flow, click Next, customize the design, and hit Publish. For the best seamless integration, we recommend using Kaching Subscriptions. It works natively with the upsell flow and keeps everything in one system. Once your subscriptions are set up, make sure customers can manage them. Pause, skip, or cancel anytime. That's what we'll cover in the next video.